Hey there. You're probably wondering how I did that. If you've seen any movie with Jackie Chan, you've probably seen him do that too, and plenty of other people playing ninjas or any martial arts fancy people. This video is going to show you how and why I'm able to do that. This move is called a kip-up, and it's just a cool, flashy way to get off the ground. There's no reason to do it, just why not, because it's cool. This magical thing isn't magic. You don't have to be a superhuman to be able to do it. I was able to learn it in 7th grade during PE class with my friends, and there's a simple reason why. It just all comes down to physics. Specifically, Newton's 3 laws of motion. Now, if you know someone who's tried this, or if you tried it yourself, and you can't do it, it probably looks something like this. The reason that this happens all comes down to Newton's 3rd law of motion, which states that every action will have an equal and opposite reaction. In this case, you need to actually load your legs towards you, so you exert more force into the ground, like this. Notice how I'm starting by rolling back instead of just straight from on my back. Most people I know will try to do this, just flop onto their back. By rolling onto your back and loading your legs towards your face, you're essentially creating potential energy that can be converted into kinetic energy on the way back up. When you kick your legs back up, you're creating a force that will essentially pull your whole body with you with the help of your arms, and you'll be able to essentially launch yourself upwards. Now, if you try this at home and you end up still hitting your back, disclaimer, I'm not responsible for any injuries. You attempt this at your own risk. However, it is cool, and if you do manage to pull it off, it's something that you'll just naturally be able to do anywhere you go, and people will start to say, why do you keep doing that? And I say, why not? Now here's an example of me doing it well and using Newton's 3rd law in order to generate more energy that I can be using to propel myself upwards and to a standing position. I almost fell forward because of how good that was. This motion with your legs is actually really similar to how a spring works. When you compress a spring, it naturally wants to expand again and produce that outwards force. In this case, you bringing your legs in, sucking them into your chest, is essentially that compression of the spring. And when you shoot your legs out, that's like the release of the energy, which causes a spring to just pop out. If you manage to do this, then congrats, you're cool now. If not, I don't know what to tell you, but you can always keep trying and try to be cool like me, because I can do this. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, subscribe, like, leave a comment, share with your friends. And if you didn't like the video, still subscribe, share, like, and leave a comment, because why not? Because you love us.